In this question, we have the principle which explains to us that whoever has sexual intercourse with a person who is on whom he knows or has reason to believe is the wife of another man without the consent or connivance of that man has sexual intercourse not amounting to the offense of rape is guilty of the offense of adultery. Now, the facts over here are A and B were not married but lived together in a house. Most people in the neighborhood thought them to be married couple, though they were also aware of B's loose morals. C, her neighbor, came to know about the reality and she was in a live-in relationship with A. He blackmailed her that he would tell everyone about it and she will be shunned from the society. Fearing that truth will be known to the world, she developed illicit relations with C as well. At the same time, in order to win her boss's favor, she was also maintaining illicit relations with her boss X, a fact A was aware of. B, C, and X were prosecuted for committing adultery. Decide. So we need to decide whether C can be prosecuted for adultery or not. The correct answer over here is no. That is, she cannot be prosecuted as A and B were merely living together and were not married. This fact was known to C and hence he cannot be prosecuted for bigamy. Now, clearly if you read the principle that whoever has sexual intercourse with a person who is and whom he believes reason to believe that she's the wife of another man, right? So over here from the facts we clearly get to know that B was not married to A, right? And he knew that he was not having illicit relations with a married woman. Therefore, he cannot be prosecuted for adultery. Now, consent of the woman is of no consequence in case of adultery. But in this case, B was not married to the charge. She was not married. The charge of adultery could not be established. Therefore, clearly the correct answer is C.